Hello, my name is Sneža Filipović and I'm going to explore recording, audio and video recording in PoodLL. In order to be able to record, the first thing I've already done is open the full rich editor and find the tools here. Let's record something. So I will press record and say a few interesting things. Now I'm going to pause, and if I want to continue, I should press, of course, continue. Continuing with a few more interesting things. Okay, now that I have finished recording, I should play just to check or upload. Let's play first and say a few interesting things. Now I'm going to pause, continuing with a few more interesting things. Right, now I'm confused if I made a pause or not, but okay, I will check it later. When I want to upload, okay, uploaded successfully, and I can play once again, because if I insert it I won't be able to open the link before publishing it. So let's play it again and say a few interesting things. Now I'm going to pause, continuing with a few more interesting things. I think everything is okay except this little dot jumps suddenly, but it is okay. I'm going to insert it now, and as you can see I can't open it, so that's why you have to check whether your recording is okay. The next thing we are going to do is to record a video, so I will open a video recorder. Hello, it is me. Let's put my glasses properly and record. Hello, my name is Sneža Filipović and I'm a participant in a very interesting Evo session, Moodle for Teachers. Thank you. Let's check what I've done. Hello, my name is Sneža Filipović and I'm a participant in a very interesting Evo session, Moodle for Teachers. Thank you. Right, because I'm satisfied with this, I will upload it. And it is being uploaded. Right. And insert. So I suppose it is inserted, just I can't see where. Probably when I publish it, all the links will appear. I will check it. Right, let's take a picture before drawing. Take a picture, strike a pose. No, sorry. I will just take a picture. Is this a picture? I don't like it. Cancel. So, strike a pose. Serious this time. Right. Let it be. So, I will upload the picture and it will immediately show here, unlike the other links. Right. Excellent. Just I think I cut this link. Whether it will work, I will find out after. And finally, I would, okay, 4 minutes. I will just quickly try this tool for drawing a picture, because actually I like drawing. And even more interesting is I can't draw, you know. So when I draw something in my classroom, my students know it's time to have a good laugh. So what am I drawing? Any ideas? Okay. Actually, it is a bucket, and that's what I did a couple of days ago. I always check with my students whether what I was drawing is actually what I wanted to draw. We can change colors here and choose some other. We can change the width of the line here, so maybe use it as painting. Right, it is a blue bucket, and I will just return it and change the color and make flowers. Oh my god, I haven't changed the width enough. Okay. Yeah, it looks like a flower. So it is a bucket with a flower. And I think I will stop here. So, insert, it is next to my photo, my bucket with a flower. It looks like a sun actually. I would check with my students how they perceive this. So, thank you for listening. See you. Bye bye.